Are you still using external tools to create diagrams and then uploading screenshot into Confluence? What if you could create Venn diagrams, wireframes, floor plans, and diagrams directly inside Confluence using one powerful Atlassian add-on? Hey everyone, welcome back to raigurukul.com. I'm Deepak Rai, and today I'm going to explain you very interesting tool which will help you to create Venn diagram, floor plan, anything which you'll prefer to create. So if you're working with Atlassian Confluence and wanted to visually explain ideas, processes, or design, then this video is a must watch. Today, I will show you how to use the Gliffy Diagrams add-on for Confluence to create Venn diagrams, wireframes, floor plans, all without leaving Confluence. If you're visiting this channel first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Atlassian, Jira, and productivity content. Before we proceed, let's understand a little bit about Gliffy. Gliffy is a powerful third-party Atlassian marketplace add-on that lets you create professional diagrams directly inside Confluence pages. No switching tools, no external exports, everything stays documented, collaborative, and version controlled inside Confluence. Let's start with Venn diagrams. To begin with this, you have to just add Gliffy after putting / and you'll see this interface will be available. Whenever you want to create Venn diagrams, you have to select this options and click on create. Now, before we proceed, let's understand what is Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams are perfect for showing logical relationships, especially when things have overlapping elements. Where do you usually use Venn diagrams? In comparisons, requirement analysis, or stakeholder discussions. Here you have different options available. You can just select color codes, provide the names, and even we can make it to bigger or smaller. Similar color code if you want, or you can even add different color codes. This is how it can be created. If you wanted to change any of those parameters, dragging it or dropping it to other places, you can also do it. Once it is done, save it with Venn, and this will be created successfully. If you wanted to add the names or placeholder, you can even add it. I'm just trying to add continent, something like this. Even we can add name here as well, maybe place or state. Similarly, we can also add it. Once it is done, click on back to Confluence and you will see this diagrams is available very quickly. And even we can add or edit this diagrams after creating it. You can even full screen view, or you can minimize it to smaller screen as well. If you want, even we can update it. If you want to create a copy of it, where you want to create a copy, this page, new page, or existing pages, you can also do it. It will be available in all diagrams. It's not only specific to Venn. Now, if I wanted to proceed with wireframe, I will again press Gliffy / Gliffy. I'm waiting for suggestions, and then I can use wireframes. We have to just click on create, and this will open a wizard. Before we begin, let's understand what is wireframe. So a wireframe is basically a blueprint of a web pages or applications. It shows what will be on the page and where without focusing on design details. Wireframes are heavily used by UI designers, product managers, and engineers. Question for you is, do you create wireframes before development starts, or after requirements are finalized? Let me know in comments. So here we have different containers. By using this containers, we can define the outlines. Like if we wanted to create a mobile applications, web page for the mobile applications, we can add the title. Under that, if we wanted to add some dialogues, we can add different dialogues within it. Post this, if we want, we can add different other actions like window, or maybe if we want to add comments and all, everything can be added. So here you can add the bubble to highlight your comment. Along with this, if you want, we can even add some shades wherever you want. So these are different options are available. Create wireframe diagram for Facebook web page. When we are using this, we have to save it and publish it. So here I will add wireframe and click on save. This will be saved, and when you will click on back to Confluence, it will be available within your screen. This is how we can build wireframe diagram. Did you know you can also create floor plans using Gliffy in Confluence? So floor plans are useful for office layout, apartment plannings, infrastructure documentations, and all. So here we can use floor plan as actions, and here you can click on any interior designs. According to your requirements, you can switch it. So if you wanted to add or remove or do any structuring, you can just highlight the pointers and make use of it. This will create a detailed floor plan. If you want, even you can change the floor plan for the living room. If you want, even you can change dining tables, space and all. This can be easily done by using floor plan architecture. If I wanted to add some sets for the floor plan dining room, we can add it like this. If we want, even we can add something inside like this. This is a bedroom. So here we can make this adjustable. This is the kitchen area. Maybe we can delete this and add this structure inside the floor plan. To make this perfect, we have pro tips for you. Add a rectangle in the background and set it to the custom size to keep everything to be scaled. So if you are adding any items, we can add some rectangle here and make it scalable. So accordingly, it will shift within the plan itself. Next item and fourth one will be swim lane. So quick rule of thumb, Venn diagrams are used for comparisons and overlaps. Wireframes are app and website planning, and floor plans are physical layout building. Gliffy gives you all of this in one Confluence add-on. If you're already using Confluence, Gliffy diagrams can dramatically improve how you document ideas, design, and processes. No extra tool, no messy screenshots, just clean visual documentations. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your teams. And last question for you is, which Gliffy diagram should I deep dive into next flowchart? Let me know in comments. If you have any suggestions, feedback related to the tool, reach out to me or Gliffy directly by using the link in descriptions. If you wanted to add trial versions into your instance, feel free to refer the link added in descriptions and get it started, which makes your life easy for generating diagrams. That's all for today. We'll see you in next week.